We're now going to talk about some definitions related to systems of equations. And a system of equations is a set of equations that share the same variables. And a linear system is a system of equations where all variables are linear, or in other words, have a maximum power of 1. So we have linear systems and we have nonlinear systems. And we'll talk about both of those in this chapter. A solution is the answer, and it's typically a point that makes all equations in the system true. So if it doesn't make all of them true, then it's not a solution. The graph is just a way to represent the system on the Cartesian plane. The types of solutions. So these are types of solutions. And if we see any of these, then we're talking about the types of solutions. So a consistent system is one that has an answer, has at least one solution. And an inconsistent system has no solution. No point makes every equation true for an inconsistent, and there's at least one point for a consistent system. For an independent system, this says that no variable in the point in the solution depends on the other. So typically this means that there's one answer and one answer only. Dependent means that at least one variable depends on another. And a unique solution is a case where there is one and only one answer. So this means a unique solution comes from a consistent and independent system. If you can find just one answer, then it's a unique solution, no matter how you get there. These are methods used for solving. In addition to the graphical method, we have the substitution method, where we solve for a variable first, and then plug it into another equation. And elimination is when we modify whole equations so that when added, at least one variable adds to 0 or is eliminated. And the equilibrium point is a story problem definition, and specifically it means when a number of units produced is sold at price P, X units sold at price P, then the supply perfectly equals the demand. Everything that you make will sell. You aren't left with any extra stock, and everybody who wants one gets one. And these are the definitions for this section of our systems of equations.